Welcome back. Today we'll be facing a really big thing that I've been wanting to do a long time. I just finished the book and the movie. It's something that has been around for decades. It is called The Wizard of Oz. Thinking about The Wizard of Oz, The Wizard of Oz having book series, movie, two movies, and even an NES game. They even have a really nice franchise of place. I have a play set and a toy. First of all, I'm going to show you the toy. We have Dorothy. This there's no articulation, which why would you want to play with this anyways? But you can move her waist. It's not really stiff. Her arms are kind of even sounds like you're able to break off. So you have Dorothy, and one of my personal favorites of it is the playset. The playset, it's very hard to actually, well, the lights are out now, but a lot of things come out, and it unfolds, and unfolds bigger, and Emerald City opens, and you see the King of Oz, and that's really cool. So basically, I just wanted to show you the really good Wizard of Oz books, or toys. And this is not all. They have the Cowardly Lion, they have the Tin Man, um, they have the Scarecrow. They have all of the stuff. It's really fun. They're actually quite good. Most of them are just statues. This is really the only one I've seen so far that you could actually play with. Well, a little kid could actually play with, and I don't really know why I have it, but it's really fun. You should. Well, you probably find them somewhere. You probably find them something on eBay. Not the exact same thing. Maybe the exact same thing. I got those at thrift store, so they're really good, and you should try looking for something like that. And that has been a quite long but short video of the virtual game guide. We're out, and we're out.